Hi there, it's Zafira 1.6 2013. Got 12 volt port under the handbrake, doesn't work. When you plug it in, not getting anything. Supposed to get a red light and an amber light, just say there's 12 volts. It's worth having one of these actually, because it's a good test to see whether your battery's working or your alternator's working and electrical systems functioning, but not getting anything, which suggests to me we've got an issue with the circuit. Money's on the fuse, but we'll go and have a look and see, show you where the fuse is and see if it is that. Yeah, to open the fuse box you need a screwdriver, flathead, so just put it in that one, click it, and then it comes open like that. So you do it for both. Just put it down there, and you can just see them. Just pulls it out like that. So we're in the engine compartment, and I believe it's fuse 36, which is a 15 amp fuse. So I'm just going to pull that out. So let's have a look. Let's put it down somewhere. Let's have a look at that. So it looks pretty. Yeah, that's gone. So I'm going to need another 15 amp fuse, which I'm not sure if there's a spare one. I'm going to have a look. Doesn't say. See, it's best to have a Haynes manual for one of these, so I'm going to look at my Haynes manual and see which one's a spare. I'm hoping it's going to be that one, but I'm not sure, so we're going to have a look. Right, this is a fuse box under the bonnet. These are the numbers. This is for your interest, and these are the numbers corresponding with that. So make sure you check out. I don't have a spare 15 amps, so I'm going to have to see if I've got one in the garage. So that's according to that. So we're going to have a look, but this is a 15 amp. So yeah, we've got power. So glad it happened with that. If it's anything else, you're going to have to check your wiring out, check the circuit, see where it's not supplying, where there's an open circuit or anything like that. So worth getting a test light just to check the circuit in there. I'll show you how to do that next. So what you can do is get a test light, put it onto battery negative. So just go in there. You can do this with any. There you go. So we know we've got power in there. What you can do, you can bridge it just to see if it works. So just put your test light in there. There you go. So battery negative, and just put your test light in, see if there's power, and we have. So put that back in, and we know we've got power, so that's a fix. Great for the DIYer, easy fix, easy to good place to make a start for circuitry working on your car. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. So job done, there's a fix. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Hopefully you find this fairly interesting. Thank you.